talk about spiritual money. Think about anything that cannot be purchased with money. Actually, it's very difficult to think about something that is not purchased with money. If you think about things, you can buy things with money. You can buy authority, you can buy reputation, you can buy services, you can buy energies, you can buy spiritual services, you can buy anything, pleasure, you can buy absolutely anything with money. The only thing that you cannot buy with money is love. So love becomes the true spiritual aspect of everything. Love is the only spiritual things in this world, or in the universe, or in the multiverse, or omniverse, or wherever. So love is the only thing that is truly spiritual. So how do you create spiritual money? It's right behind me with art. When you love what you do and you can make money with what you love doing, then that is spiritual money. If you don't like what you do, you have two options. One, you change it, or two, you learn to love what you do. So you can create spiritual money. That's the only way to really make your money valuable. Make spiritual money.